guys, and today I'm back with another video. And today I'm going to be doing a house tour. And yeah. So first I'm going to show you my pictures. Okay. No, I'm showing you that. My living room. Yes, go. So this is the couch that is super big, like and stuff. I've been sitting in the middle, so I didn't want to mess up the pillows. So that's why I got that couch like that. But I'm gonna go upstairs. So yeah. See, these are the stairs. Let's go to my room. I'm gonna try you to get you later. So this is my unicorn chair. My room is all unicorn. Unicorn. And yeah, I got a JoJo thing, and I'm wearing a JoJo watch. I got a unicorn piggy bank. All this is unicorn, but not unicorn bed. It's a pink one. Another unicorn, another JoJo. Oh yeah, let's get down in my room. Okay. Look at me in the mirror. Look at me. Let's go. I'm gonna show you the kitchen now. Do y'all want to see the bathroom? I don't think I want to see the bathroom. Okay. Someone been eating chips. I just ate cereal and someone been eating chips. Who eats chips in the morning? Okay. Let's get out of here. Okay, I think y'all want to see it. So, let me turn the light on. And look at me in the bathroom. Let's show you the upstairs bathroom. We got a bathroom closet. This is the bathroom closet too. It just got bathroom supplies and stuff. We got 2 bathroom closets. Mirror on the wall. Look. I need to hold her to the door. Okay. So yeah, let's go back where I was at. So guys, I hope you like this video. So bye.